How to cancel Spokeo subscription. Now in this quick guide, I'll show you how you can cancel or stop your subscription on Spokeo. That's very simple. All I have to do at first is of course log in into your Spokeo account, and then you can just simply hover directly into your account management tab. Now you could also rely on the specific article from their help center, and then just simply scroll down in here and then click this option here that will redirect you automatically into your Spokeo account management once you logged in. Now it's very simple. Once you've successfully on the subscription tab, you simply cancel it. But if it won't let you cancel it, or that option is not available, or if you're receiving this error message here that says sorry, we're having trouble processing your request, you simply click this red highlighted option, and then you will be redirected into their customer support tab, and then just simply have a request that you would like to cancel your subscription on your account. And that's it. That's how you cancel Spokeo subscription.